In this video, I will show you how to use Mostbet app. This is very easy. Like and subscribe to YouTube channel for more important videos like this. Before we continue, I advise you create a professional Mostbet account. To do that, click on register, choose the phone or email address option or advise the email address, and then you choose your country. Once you choose your country, choose your currency US dollar, fill in your email address and your password. When you come down to the promo code box, you use the promo code Renzo TV. If you use the promo code Renzo TV, Mostbet is going to give you up to 400 US dollars as your first deposit bonus. Once you use the promo code Renzo TV, click on confirm. Once that is confirmed, the promo code is going to be applied. Fill in every other detail and then click on register. Now that you've created your account, let's continue. So to use Mostbet app, all you have to do is to come over to Mostbet after creating an account, and you can click on menu here and see the various options. So there are bonuses, there are promotions, there are anything you can do here. So for instance, you can withdraw money, you can deposit money by clicking the plus button here at the top here. That's how you deposit money. If you want to play a game, you have to come over to sports and choose pre-game or live game, and you have various games that you can play. You can see these are Champions League. You can choose by country and choose the country you want to play, maybe Champions League matches. You get apply filter, and I'm going to show you all the various Champions League matches that you can bet on. And that's how to use Mostbet app.